Hey guys, what's up? Got the iPhone 17 Pro right here, and today I'll show you how to close apps the right way. Whether your app is frozen, lagging, or you just want to clear things up, this guide's got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Get to the app switcher. First, swipe up from the very bottom of the screen, then pause in the middle. Boom! That's your multitasking view, also called the app switcher. You'll see all your open apps stacked side by side. Step 2. Find the app you want to close. Swipe left or right through the stack until you find the app that's acting up or the one you just don't need anymore. Step 3. Close the app. Now just swipe up on the app's preview card, and that app is closed instantly. Super easy. Want to learn all the essential gestures on iPhone 17? Check out my video link in the description below. As a bonus tip, remember you don't need to close apps all the time. iOS 26 on the iPhone 17 is designed to manage apps in the background. But if an app is frozen, draining battery, or glitchy, closing it is the way to go. And that's it. Quick and simple. Now you know how to close apps on your iPhone 17. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more iPhone 17 tips, and check out my other video for even more tricks. Catch you in the next one.